This is called the Musician Leadership Seminar. What it is, it gets kids in high school and the band directors an opportunity to see what it's like to be a Marine musician. What they've done in the last 3 years is actually done a performance with the Marine Corps band here stationed at Parris Island. Some of the people that are here, they didn't even know that this was an opportunity presented. And once they found out this was an opportunity presented and actually just went through it, it's like, oh yeah, I will tell others to go through this. What got me in the Corps is that I played with the band in Albany for a concert actually, and it actually piqued my interest in doing something outside of high school, and just that little bit helped me to join the Marine Corps. Same as for some of these kids that piqued their interest, they actually want to do band as a Marine. And just seeing us and how a band works from day to day change their perceptions to where, oh well, I can do this. This is very professional. I can do this, and these guys sound great.